Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I'm sitting here with my new redhead from Anchor Guitars, and if you want a guitar, an affordable guitar like this, then make sure you use my coupon code there. Just want to mention it. Now let's go into this tutorial with Tom MacDonald and his song called Proud to Be a Problem. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna work with a capo set on the 3rd fret. We have 3 chords only, and sometimes I get comments, why doesn't it look like on the video they're playing, and sometimes they're not playing in the standard tuning, and I try to aim for standard tuning as much as possible, or sometimes they just don't play the chords they're playing on the video. So that could be the case. Anyway, we're gonna look at with capo on 3rd with the 3 easiest chords possible. Let's go into it. So we have this set up now, and we're going to use the E minor, the G, and D. And we're going to start with E minor first. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there you have the different chords. Now we have 3 different styles to handle these chords with. So we're going to start with just down, up, okay? So if you grab the first chord, the E minor, you're going to play like this. And that is 1 round. So down, up, and I try to get the second and last down a little bit emphasized in the way that I'm playing on the higher strings. All the other downs a little bit more in the mid bass area. So down, up. And in a context, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, and we're going to use the same chord progression as we learned, the same order. So that means E minor, you're going to play 2 string rounds of that, and then you play G, 2 string rounds, and then D, 4 string rounds like this. Again, E minor, G, and D. Alright, and then just right before the chorus, you're just gonna hit 1 down, pause on E minor, then 1 down on G, pause, and then 1 down on D. If you want to see what I mean there, you're gonna go to 27 seconds into the song, and that's where it starts that part for the first time in the song. So you're just gonna play like this, then G, and then D. And a bigger pause for D. And the timing here is as if you would play the same strumming here for E minor 2, then G2 and D4. That's the value of the pauses when it comes to just this 1 down. So E, down, up, G, down, up, D, down, up, down, up. Alright, so if that makes sense, you play the same timing there, 1 down on the first down when you switch the chords. Okay, so that is that part, and then comes the main pattern. I will call a little bit more speed up tempo, so to speak, more tension to it, and it goes like this for 1 round. Okay, so you have down, and then down, up. And here I try to separate. It's not that easy because it goes pretty fast. I try to separate the first downs for each other. So the first down I play on the bass, and the second down I kind of answer on the high strings down there. And then the down, up, I go in the mid area. Okay, so something like that, okay? And you're gonna play E minor 2, G2, and D4. So I'm going to take down the tempo a bit for you to understand what's going on, and then I'm going to show you how to play it in a standard tempo, like this. And there you have all the tools to handle Tom MacDonald's Proud to Be a Problem. So you have three different styles of playing this one. And as you notice there, the chord progression is the same through the entire song. So good luck with that song and hope you have a nice day. Till next, play tune.